Hello everyone, welcome back to Sue with Adeshola. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to sew this beautiful 6 pieces bustier blouse that you're seeing on me. So in our last tutorial, we drafted out the pattern and also cut out the fabrics for this particular style. If you are here to see the tutorial, do well to click the link in the description box. Okay, so this is what we have, and I am removing the pattern paper so that we can work with the main fabric itself. I've gone ahead to cut out my fabric and also the linings. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is to open the fabric up like this. If you'll be adding a wording to your own, you can go ahead and iron your wording to it, but here I'm going to be making use of just the fabric. There is no wording in this particular top, and you can see how the bustier really came out nice. So you want to go ahead and notch the waistline of your top just like that. Notch the waistline of your blouse and also the underbust. So I did this off the camera, and then you want to place it together and use your pin to pin it together at the waistline and also the underbust. Okay, you want to go ahead and do that, and once I am done doing that, I'm just going to take it to my sewing machine and then sew it together just like that. You can see it's aligned, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll also do the same thing for the other side. The pin is going to help you to hold it in place. Okay, so just go ahead, pin it together and go to your machine and sew. And also I will do the same thing with my lining. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead to the sewing machine and join the lining together, and also work on the back pieces. So I have the back pieces right here, and I'll be notching the waistline. You know, I did this off the camera for the front piece, so I'm doing it right here so that you can see what I'm talking about. Just want to notch it at the waistline so that it's going to align at the waistline. Okay, now after you're done notching it at the waistline, remove your pattern paper and then open up your fabrics like this. I'm going to open up the center back first. You can see that's our center back, and then the side back as well. I'm just going to place it on each other right side like that. Then I'm going to place it on each other at the waistline just like that, making sure that the waistline aligns. And I'm going to sew all the way down, even from the hem of our top. Okay, from the full length you want to take it from that part and then sew it all the way to the top of your blouse. And this is what I had. You can see even without the wording or any interface, you can see how the poster is looking pretty nice. So you want to also do the same thing, and I did the same thing with my lining. Now I'm going to place it together right side facing each other and join at the neckline, the side as well, the two sides, and then join the hem line. Okay, I want to sew my lining with my fabric at the hem line as well. Now if you notice any pointed edge, you want to take your scissors and cut it out, but here there is no pointed edge, so I'll just go to the sewing machine and join it together, both the front and the back pieces. Okay, just like we did for the front, you want to join the lining with the fabric at the neckline and also the sides and also the hem line of your blouse. And this is what I had after I was done. After joining it together, I went ahead to sew my crinoline to it and also my hemming gum. Then I'll proceed to turn it inside out. Okay, I'll proceed to turn it from the hammer just like this. Go ahead and also do the same thing. Then you want to go to you want to iron it out just like this. You can see how it is looking really nice. So the hemming gum is going to glue the crinoline to your fabric. Now you want to place it on each other, both the front and the back pieces, and join at the shoulder. To join at the shoulder, open up your lining and fabric and then join together with a straight stitch just like that. Then you want to proceed to join at the side just like that. You want to proceed to join at the side, and I'll also do the same thing for that other side. I'm going to place it right side facing each other and then join it and also join the back side. And after I was done, this is what I had. You can see I went ahead to fix my zipper and also added my sleeve, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.